Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We are at Cabana Bay Beach Resort in Orlando, Florida. This hotel has a 1950s/60s beach theme.
It is so cool. Universal has spared no expense, down to little details of the soap and all that stuff. They even put on the sign they have cold air and color television. This hotel has multiple restaurants on site, so you'll never be hungry.
There are 2 different swimming pools and lazy rivers.
And they have a slide. They have bowling and an arcade here. And one of the reasons why you might want to stay here is because this is an actual Universal property. You're right next door to Universal, and you can use your key to get in an hour early.
Yep, just a stone's throw away from all of the activity.
All right, let's go check in and go check this place out because it's massive.
Let's go.
Another reason why you might want to stay here is Cabana Bay actually offers you a bus and a tram that will take you over to the parks and to City Walk. So you don't have to deal with all that parking at City Walk, which can be kind of annoying at times. You can just relax and enjoy your vacation.
Be sure to check out the lobby when you're here. A lot of times they'll have characters. I think we saw a couple from Madagascar earlier.
Yeah.
They're not out right now, but there's a cool chance for the kids to come meet some of the characters. Over here they have a vacation planning center, and it's really cool to help you save some deals in that. And if you actually bundle the park tickets with the hotel, you save a lot of money, so that's a good tip there too.
The lobby bar is called Swizzle Lounge. It's really cool. It's got all these like pendulum lightings and stuff, and I love the tile on the back. Come in here and get yourself a drink. Quick tip, if it's your birthday, let them know because they will give you a voucher for a free drink.
If you're looking to kill some time or trying to keep your young ones occupied, they have this little theater set up over here where they play old cartoons. And it's conveniently right next to the malt shop. So if they want a little snack while they're waiting, there's your option.
Yeah.
They gave me a free drink because it's my birthday. So I was able to get a Bailey's Adult Shake.
I'm getting a chocolate peanut butter and banana.
There's Nicola. Baby's Adult. There's Gage's. So they're a little pricey. This was like $11, and he got his for free. So
Yep.
we don't know what that one cost.
For all you coffee lovers, they have a Starbucks.
Even if you're not going to the theme parks, they got you covered with this gift shop behind me. They have all of the little trinkets you would find at Universal. They have a bunch of them here for you to buy.
This is the Bayliner Diner. It's actually a food court and has a pretty cool indoor seating area. Looks like you just go grab whatever you're gonna grab, go sit down. And then they have clips of old retro advertisements and TV shows.
Yeah, it looks so much fun. You must have clothes on to come here. They do have snack foods and sandwiches. They have on property a place where you can make s'mores. So you can get a s'mores kit here. They got sodas and waters here. You can get a souvenir cup, it looks like. You can get all you can drink soda. They also have ice cream here. Yum. You can buy little bottles of wine. You want some wine? Of course, you know we had to stop. The food just smelled really delicious there. We got ourselves a little pepperoni pizza. We're gonna eat and then we're gonna continue on. Right next to the bowling alley, they have Game-O-Rama. It has tons of games in there. Let's go check it out. have a little rec center here, but inside it looks kind of like a conference room.
If you're looking for a place to work out, they got you covered. They have Jack LaLanne's gym. And let's go in and peek just to see what the equipment looks like.
Yeah, and for you youngins, he's the one who got everybody started with the fitness craze.
If the machines aren't your thing, they got a whole row of free weights.
I'm working out.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, and
There's the man himself working out. They have some memorabilia from Jack LaLanne's time. So if you want to come look at some history, you can come over here and check it all out.
As we mentioned earlier, they offer bowling in this hotel. I think we're going to stick around and play a couple games. A thing to note, they normally just take the booking for the reservation online, but we walked up here and asked and they were actually able to do it for us. So you may get lucky, but normally just check the app first.
Yeah, and they'll give you the website you need to make it.
Yeah, and they have another bar up here too if you want to drink.
They gave us these nice little bowling shoes.
no, it's not like that.
So, the
Real stylish.
Alright, let's do it.
Hey guys, real quick before we continue, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure to leave a like and a comment below and hit that notification bell if you'd like to be alerted when more videos drop. It helps YouTube push our channel. As always, keep exploring.
Come on in. We're in the Americana building. We are on the 4th floor in the 6th room. It's very spacious in here and so clean. As you walk in, you have this big area here so you can put all your luggage if you want. Anything that you don't need, just tuck it in the corner. Over here, you have a closet. It does have a safe so you can put all your valuables in there. As you make your way into here, they have a separate sink area from the bathroom and the shower, which is good because if you're trying to brush your teeth, you don't want to be in the same room with the person using the bathroom. They do have soap over here and a couple cups, and you do have a hair dryer and tissues and all that. Make your way in here, you got a nice door. It's got a mirror, you have a toilet. Now, this is the one thing I was talking about, the details. The hotel provides you with shampoos and conditioners, and they're in these little retro bottles that you would have seen back in the 50s and 60s, and then like retro soap. So pretty cool. You got a nice big deep tub, got a little shelf here, looks like a nice shower head, and also I love the fabric that they use. It's so like retro. If you make your way out here, you'll notice on the wall first there's air conditioner controls, which is perfect. It's not one of those box air conditioners. Nice good air conditioner. Again with the retro fabric, as you can see with the blankets of the sheets, they used oranges, and they did use the green that we all love. This is a nicer green, I think. You have lights on both sides. You can do multiple lights or big lights. You do have plugs. 4 plugs there, a couple drawers. I know Michael really enjoyed this. On the phone, they have a pizza button. You click there, you say, hey, I would like some pizza. And they send it to your room. If you walk over here, you have this little table. You have a nice little spot if you want to eat inside your room. There are a lot of restaurants. Over here, you have a little tiny coffee pot. You have your ice. Down in this cabinet here, we have a refrigerator. Keep your drinks cold. We travel with a lot of drinks, so that'll be good. And you do have drawers for each person. And a big screen television. Now, we booked a poolside room, and we get an amazing view of the pool. There are ways that you can actually book a view of Volcano Bay, and you'll see the volcano going off every couple hours or so, and it's pretty cool. But we decided to go with the pool today. Another thing to note, this is a standard size room. They do have family rooms here too that has a separate living area. So for a little bit extra money, you can fit 6 people, and you can have a living room and 2 queen size beds with a door that separates you.
Okay, it's the next day. We're gonna go check out some of the outdoor activities. We had a blast last night, so I think we're gonna enjoy it even more during the day. Let's go check it out.
Cabana Bay has this little beach area that you can come and hang out. They also have ping pong over there, and at night they light it all up, so it's really nice out here. You can order the cabanas here. It comes with a table. Over there, it looks like a TV and a refrigerator down there. Your cabana also includes 2 Cokes, 2 Sprites, 2 Diet Cokes, and 2 waters. No outside alcohol. Awesome.
Like most hotels, you have a place to pick up your pool towels and a place to drop them off. Here, you don't really have to check them in or out.
Little beach pavilions that you can reserve. It's not first come first serve, you actually have to reserve them. And you can have like a big group under here and have all your stuff and be nice and shaded, and they just have fans too.
Just outside the pavilion, they have this nice little grassy area, so you could probably do plenty of outdoor activities of your own. This is the Atomic Tonic. It's one of the poolside bars. We actually came out here and had a drink last night. They give you these cool little souvenir cups.
They're almost like sippy cups.
Yeah, it's kind of funny. We were laughing about that. They're $4 for the cup initially, but then when you go get your drink refilled, it's $4 less.
Next to the Atomic Tonic, they have the Atomic Grill. You can get your standard food here, like sandwiches, wraps, french fries, pizza, all that stuff. Great place to fuel up for the day.
They also have an outdoor fire pit. And at night you can come out here and you can have yourself some s'mores.
They have a little kiddie splash pad here. Oh, that's adorable. And they have the little buckets. Oh, it falls on the head. It looks like they actually do have swim diapers that are available. They have another little splash pad over here.
That's for the little guys.
Yeah.
If you have real little ones, this is just a walk-in pool slash kind of like beach slope. The pool itself is horseshoe shaped. I think we're gonna go get inside the pool now.
All right. This way. This is a nice pool. It's only like 3.5 feet everywhere you go, so great for short people. You know, you're not on your tips. But I think we're gonna go check out that slide because it's one of the reasons why we came here. All right, let's go. It looks like if you're 36 inches, you actually have to ride with somebody. But if you're 48, you can ride by yourself.
Well, that was a blast.
Yeah, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah. It didn't go quite as fast as we could because we're wearing our swim shirts, but I think that's true of most slides.
Yep, but at least our skin's safe, right?
Yeah.
So this pool area is a lot of fun, but I think we're gonna go check out the other pool area because it has a lazy river.
Yep.
And it's so much fun over there.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. We're on the other side with the other pools and the lazy river. This is the Hideaway Bar and Grill behind me. I think we're gonna walk around and show you what's on this side of the hotel. The prices here at the Bar and Grill is comparable to what you would see in Orlando. If you're gonna budget, you need to budget between $9 and $13 per person to eat, and that doesn't normally include a drink either.
Another reason why you may want to stay here is it puts you so close to Volcano Bay. I mean, that's right there. This is one of the views that you can actually rent, and it's pretty cool at night because you could see it. They got different lighting on the volcano itself, and you get to see it go off at all different times of the day. All right, so that was a brief little tour around the pool.
I think we're gonna get in now.
Yeah, we'll enjoy this for a little bit, and then we're gonna go check out that lazy river.
Yes.
All right, guys, let's go check out that lazy river.
Oh, nice and shaded too. At this lazy river, you have to actually purchase your float. It's a nice little souvenir because it says Cabana Bay and all that stuff on it. But they range from $5 for a beach volleyball to $17 for the big one. So a little expensive.
Okay, I think that's going to be the end of this video. We actually had a pretty good stay here.
Yeah, so the beds are very comfortable. We love the 1950s motif. Very cute, decorated.
Right.
So we did have one issue with the resort. It doesn't seem like the pools are connected, so you had to walk in the lobby to get to the next pool.
Yeah, there was quite a trek around the buildings to get from one point to the other.
Yeah.
It's very easy if you don't know what you're doing to get lost.
Yeah, we got lost several times.
Yeah. We also played one of the most expensive bowling games we've probably ever
played.
had.
Yeah, but you are paying theme park prices, so expect to pay a little bit more when it comes to food and activities in a resort like this.
Right.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, please hit that like and subscribe button below. And as always, thank you for coming along with us. Keep exploring.
And we'll see you on the next one. Many hotels in the 50s never had air. So, but what was I supposed to be talking about?
If you're looking to kill some time, or yeah, what am I trying to say?
There are so many games in there and lots to do. So talk about the cup. You get a discount with it.
How much were the cups?
$4.
Okay. So the cups at the start.
Your drink cups at the cup.
At the Atomic Tonic, the cup that you start with costs you $4.